It's the first time for me that I've had a lead male character.
Well, guess this is it.
Benedict had the inspiration to do it and the courage to do it.
What little lady made these?
It's such an honor and excitement to work with someone who takes it as far as they damn well can.
My name is Benedict Cumberbatch, and I play Phil Burbank in The Power of the Dog.
I knew whoever was going to play Phil would have to do a lot of work. I mean, without that, we don't have a film.
Phil Burbank is somebody who hates on the world before it can hate on him. I was probably a million miles away from her Phil.
Benedict himself is a polite, kind man, but he's also a damn gifted actor. We did meet in London, doing nothing else but talking about how we might get him there. I think Benedict was sort of wanting me to say it, so I ended up saying it. Stay in character. From the moment you hit set, you have to be Phil Burbank. All our crew, they're never going to know you as Benedict.
Benedict's character is so dangerous and clearly malicious and conniving.
In order to play Phil, he really needed to stay in a zone of not being his friendly self.
Well, Brother Phil, we had such a
I'm
nice...
not your brother.
He wasn't allowed to say sorry. He had to say no quite a few times every day.
What you doing?
You want to give him a hand?
Don't. Let's figure it out.
This is as far removed as he's ever traveled from himself.
One of the things that draws me to my work is process. Being on a horse for a whole day, braiding, wearing your hands thin with all the work. It's pretty serious until the end of the day.
The whole movie hinges on him not only being this powerful presence, but also a master at everything he touches.
People helped you, fatso. One person in particular taught you and me ranching, so we damn well succeeded.
He was like, oh, the people think I'm horrible. And I said, oh, maybe, you know. But
Now get us some food.
you can see in the work, there's no Benedict there.
Shut that down or I will!
He's not there.
There is something so hidden about him that reveals itself in his loneliness amongst other people. What we explored with him in this film is what he is like when no one is looking. And there's always something more to find. It's been a fantastic experience. It's going to stay with me for a lot longer than when I finished on the film.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Netflix Film Club channel to get our latest exclusive videos. Plus, hit the bell so you don't miss a single one.